Hello, everybody. Welcome to E Cubed. My name is Coach Shane, and today we have a really good expression. Come on. Today we have a really good expression. It is. Come on. Okay. Today we have a really good expression. It is called a something something fit. Like a hiccup fit. Yeah, what I'm doing right now is called a hiccup. And there are two spellings, but the pronunciation is the same. Hiccup and hiccup. Hiccup. And if I suddenly start hiccuping and I cannot control my hiccuping, then I can say I'm having a hiccup fit. Fit. F-I-T. A hiccup fit. A hiccup fit. A hiccup fit. But not just a hiccup fit. We can also have a coughing fit, like I did in Daily Dictation 217 answers. I think I had a bit of a coughing fit. Sorry, I had a coughing fit. Check out the dialogue. Who's having a sneezing fit?
Jimmy.
He's always sick.
By the way, that's his keyboard you're using.
That's right, a sneezing fit. So, basically, we only say a sneezing fit and a coughing fit and sometimes a hiccup fit. There's not many other types of fits that we can typically have. But if you hear of one, let me know. And I hope you don't get a coughing fit or a sneezing fit. But if you did, which is better, a coughing fit or a sneezing fit? Leave your preference down below. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Who's having a sneezing fit?
Jimmy.
He's always sick.
By the way, that's his keyboard you're using.
Who's having a sneezing fit?
Jimmy.
He's always sick.
By the way, that's his keyboard you're using.
Who's having a sneezing fit?
Jimmy.
He's always sick.
By the way, that's his keyboard you're using.